Put some cheese on there. And a little bit of parsley. A tiny sheik of black pepper. And that is perfect potato soup. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making something out of leftovers, which is a little bit, well, it's healthy actually. We're making a nice mashed potato soup. Okay, we're going to take the cold mashed potatoes left over and turn it into a potato soup. Add a bit of cream. We got a creamy potato soup. It is simple. Come on, let's do it. We've already got the mashed potato cold. It's been in the fridge a couple of days. You know, we're not going to throw it out. We're not making bubble with it. You know, bubble and squeak. We're going to use it in a soup. A soup goes a lot further as a family or even individual, you know, which you can freeze after you've made it. So we got mashed potatoes. I've got 3 cups of mashed potatoes there. We've got an onion and a couple of bits of garlic. That is it. Onion. We want some cubes. Some fine dice. That's all we want. Now you can find it as, you can actually make it as fine as you like. That's entirely up to you, you know. We're not bothered. We're going to cook it in a pan and then we're going to blend it. We're going to blend it into a soup, so who's bothered, you know? Come on. And as you know, an onion, look, is made up of segments. So don't do that. We don't need to do that. Look, you come right towards the end like that with your knife, nice and steady. And we've got that all joined up with that end bit there. Come on. I'm going to go as far as say that everybody that shows you a parallel cut is an idiot. Okay, the idiots. They're cutting back towards the hand on something which is made up of segments which cubes without any stupidity. Okay, there you go. Garlic. Now you can mince the garlic as fine as you so wish. Again, I'm not going to bother because we're cooking it and blending it. So does it matter that it's minced up? No. In there. So it really is straightforward actually. You want a pan. We want a little bit of butter. Now you can use oil if you so wish, olive oil, any oil, neutral oil. Whatever you like, it doesn't matter. Flame on, and we're going to saute the onions and garlic. Now I'm going straight in there with those. I'm not waiting. It doesn't have to heat up anything. Just cook it in there. Nice and straightforward. Now you do not have to cook it so high. Seasoning is your choice. Now I've got rosemary salt here. There's a link here. You can make it. That's all I want in there. And some black pepper. However, we might be putting a little bit of black pepper over at the end. Nice little saute on there, look. Now you can add fresh herbs, you can add any herbs you like to this. That's entirely up to you. Now I'm going to go in there with a little pinch of herbs de Provence. That sounds posh, doesn't it? Herbs de Provence in there, look. That is going to be our flavouring for this. If you want to know how to make that, there's a link in the description. Oh, there you go. That's what we're talking. veg stock or chicken stock, entirely up to you. Put a little bit in there now, because we want to chuck the mashed potatoes in there. Now there's no point putting the mashed potatoes in a dry pan, and we can stir some of that in now and break it up and add some more and some more until we've got it all in there. It's nice and easy. So grab some mash, because we're going to have to break it up. If you chuck it all in, you're going to have a right job, you know. And yes, the temperature's going to come down because these mashed potatoes have been in the fridge. Come on, it's going to warm back up again. I'm going to take a whisk. Let's get that broken up in there. So all we're doing is bringing it up to the boil, and we're going to simmer it for about 10 minutes, no more than that. It probably doesn't even have to go that long actually. You could probably simmer it for 5 minutes and then blend it. Up to you. Let's just get all those flavours together in there. There we go, we're getting this up to the boil, and then we're just going to simmer this for about 7 or 8 minutes tops. I am going to blend it to blend up the onions. We're going to chuck a bit of cream in, rewarm it, and that will be our potato soup made. Okay, that's good enough. It's had about 6 or 7 minutes. We're going to blend that, and then we're going to put some cream in. That'll do it. So that's just ridiculously simple. In there with some cream. Now you don't have to add cream. You could add milk. A little one of those in there. And then we're just going to heat this back through. Now this should have been hot enough and quick enough to add this cream, and you should be able to eat this straight away. You might not have to even heat it up. It's up to you. We're going on with the flame and we're going to warm it through. There you go. That'll do me. That's flame off. And we'll just let that cool down a little second while we put some crusty bread on and smother it in butter. Fabulous. Now you have to decide to take this to another level. Put some cheese on there. And a little bit of parsley. A tiny, tiny shake of black pepper. And that is perfect potato soup. That is a beautiful potato soup. Come on. Come on. It's thick. It's creamy. Look at that. We haven't even stirred the cheese in yet. That is wonderful. Absolutely beautiful. That is superb. That is why you do not throw away mashed potatoes. And a nice little bit of crusty in there, look. Come on. Are you a dunker? Or do you just eat it and have a little bit of soup? Get it dunked in. Let's have that cheese in there. Stringy cheese potato soup. Look at that. That is high class. Incredible. Oh man. Never ever ever throw away mashed potatoes. Most people want to use them and fry them up as bubble, but you know, that is a perfect potato soup. We're not starting with cubes of potato and messing around. We're using leftovers. We're taking a secondary product that we've already used and we've enjoyed as a mashed potato, and we're reusing it and having it as a fantastic creamy potato soup. That is boosting your money's worth. You know, you could even put on a couple of extra potatoes when you make your mash so you can make the potato soup. Now the thing is, I've got a huge pan full of soup there, which can be frozen. Frozen in portions, bring out and eat. What a money saver. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, tell your friends how to use up mashed potatoes. And that is our creamy mashed potato soup made. If you like what we're doing, it's a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Look at that gooiness with the cheese. Oh man, that's going to be all over my chin. And well worth it.